Well, the next topic I wanted to talk to you guys about is I found this index. Actually, I was messing around Googling things. And then out of all people, it's done by CNN. So, so take it with a grain of salt. But then I started following a few months ago because I don't tell you guys anything until I test it myself. um, it was like, should I even bother with this thing? But then there are other indicators that I watch for the sentiment in the marketplace, right? I watch the put call ratio. I watch the equity put call ratio, index put call ratio. These are the amount of puts versus calls that are bought. Those you're more than welcome to Google it, what it is, and educate yourself about it. But then I found this. I was Googling certain things. I found this thing, and I'm like, okay, see, it says CNN Business. We all know, I mean, my opinion about CNN could be different than yours, but at the moment, this was as of yesterday, by the way. So there is a fear and greed index. So if you Google fear and greed index, it'll take you to this page, and you will know immediately what's going on. FYI, I was watching this index, by the way, when the Japanese yen carry trade debacle was going on, when the market went down 15% or 11% in the S&P 500 over a month and a half. It was truly in extreme fear. So this is okay, you have to take this as a contrary indicator, okay, for your trading, not investing, for your trading. So at the moment we're greed. Maybe today we're in extreme greed. In fact, I'll check it while I'm doing my positions with you guys. But during the sell-off, that thing went down to I think it went down to 7, 8. Extreme fear, and that's the bottom of the market, right? So maybe you guys can pay attention to this. So the previous close was greed. This thing moves like a speedometer. A week ago, it was neutral. Before the elections, it was neutral. Now it's getting into greed because market's gone up another 3%. Market added, by the way, since the elections, market added $2 trillion. All those people who dollar cost average are laughing all the way to the bank. Added $2 trillion to the wealth of people who have invested in the stock market, right? A month ago, it was greed, more greed. And a year ago, it was fear. Well, we know that's when a year ago, the market bottomed. So this is something you guys can follow maybe on your own time. Add it to your arsenal of what to watch for, right? What the market may or may not do. I started following it. I mean, I don't do trades or invest by it, but then it's something extra that I added to